Hi friends, today I'm going to explain you shortcut keys without remember. So no need to buy hard the shortcut keys. I'm going to explain you in a simple way. Okay. Hope everyone know the keyboards, right? So now let's see. So press the so see so select the alt, press the alt. So if you press the alt, so there is a keywords are appearing here. So go to the h column, h, press on the h. So you will have the this kind of keywords. Okay, based on this one we can apply the shortcut keys. Okay, now see, I'm just going to make this table in a proper way. I want to arrange this in a proper structure. Okay. Now I'm going to just press the alt h. Okay, for your purpose alt h, so you can see what are the keys are there, what are the function or keys are there. So it is reflecting here. First I want to make it in a middle center. I want to make it as a center alignment. So just a c, this one. If you want to make it as a left side, a l, left, a h, alt h, ac is the center, alt press h, a l is the right side alignment, alt h, ac is the center alignment. Done. Perfect. Now I just want to make a little bit of text format. So size the word format. So just alt h, c, f s is there, f g, f k. So select the fs. What happened? So see, it selected the number. So I'm just select the 14 or 12 or 10. I want to make it as a 10. Okay, done. Next, see, people are asking me to make it is in a only double single digit format again. So if I make this directly here, or you want to use a shortcut kit, alt h9 is a single. Done. That's it. Perfect. See, you know how to use the shortcut keys. The only thing is press alt, you will have these names, and after that go through that one. So no need to buy hard shortcut keys anywhere. Okay, now you want to make it is for a pivot. Again, press alt. Of course we know pivot is available in the insert. Select the n, and now here it is reflecting v. Select the v, and again from table to engine select the t. Now press the alt because it is a separate app. So we have to press the alt plus n for the new sheet. Alt plus n. Okay. Now you have this is this is the pivot. Got it? Yes. Thank you. Thanks for watching this move.